Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how you can enable the second image on hover on collections in Shopify. So let's jump in. On the left hand side, you want to go over from your home page and tap on your online store, and this will open this page over here, and you want to go ahead and look for customize on the right hand side. Now once you're in here, you are going to look for the tab at the top that says homepage, and you're going to change it to collections, and here you want to tap on default collection. On the left hand side you will see template. Under template you want to tap on product grid, and if you scroll down you can see over here it says show second image on hover. We want to enable this. Now this could be over on the right hand side. It just depends on what theme you're using. However, the steps are pretty much the same. You'll just have to look for these items. If this was helpful, you can go ahead and drop us a like, and we will see you next time. Peace out.